turning 1 crore into 100 crores. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that with a strategic approach, patience, and the right investment plan, it's actually possible? In this video, we'll explore 3 different strategies for making that dream a reality. Let's dive right in. Suppose you have 1 crore and you decide to invest it all in equity mutual funds. Now, with an average return of 12% per year, how long do you think it would take to reach the 100 crore? 41 years. Yes, you heard that right. At 12% returns, a single investment of 1 crore will turn into 100 crores in 41 years. Now, if that sounds like a long wait, you might be wondering, is there a faster way? The answer is yes. If you're willing to add more along the way. So, let's bring in a SIP, a systematic investment plan. Imagine starting with the same 1 crore as a lump sum, but now you're also adding 1.5 lakhs every month through SIP. Still at that 12% growth rate, this approach shaves off quite a few years, getting you to 100 crores in 32 years instead of 41 years. So that's nearly a decade saved just by adding a monthly SIP. Now, can we take it one step further? How about combining that 1.5 lakh SIP with a 10% annual step up? This simply means you are increasing your monthly contribution by 10% every year. So, for instance, next year you would be investing about 1.6 lakhs per month. The following year around 1.8 lakh per month, and so on. This approach with the same 12% return can get you to the 100 crore goal in just 27 years. Think about that, a difference of 14 years just by adding a monthly SIP and a 10% annual increase. So what is the best choice here? Well, that really depends on your personal goals, how much time you have, and of course your investment capacity. But these examples show how powerful a combination of time, discipline, and a thoughtful strategy can be in achieving your long-term financial goals. Remember, investments are all about patience and persistence. Growing wealth takes time, but with the right approach, you could find yourself well on your way to 9-figure portfolio. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you understand the potential of compounding in wealth creation. If you're ready to start your journey to 100 crores or just want some guidance, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more financial tips and strategies.